back to the female, the figure of the female. My mother, she raised us up by herself. We're 6 brothers. So you're always going to find the females in my work, and they're very strong, and they're there to guide. In this case, she has a snake coming out of her hand, and it's like, you go, and if you have to do what you have to do, and if you don't do, I'm going to bite you. But she's doing it tenderly. That's why she's in control. I like fashion. I thought I was going to be in fashion. So when I saw the work, I was like, what if they are dressed up? What if the characters are dressed up in Van Gogh? So I started to come up with these ideas. I'm going to give her a dress, and then I'm going to place her next to a bouquet of flowers. So I was trying to do that. My work just doesn't happen just randomly, but there's a thought behind it. There's a process. And in this case here, the representation of the dog is looking through the history of art. And he looks melancholic, like looking back, and it's like, I wish I could take you with me. But you can't. There are Van Gogh images on text on the book of Van Gogh. So it's Van Gogh on Van Gogh. And then the intervention comes in. How can I connect this dress into a character of mine with bringing them in peace? And then I think that's when I say that he was there whispering, like, you should pick this color, so you should do this and that.